YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here with another unboxing video. This is a LED rechargeable floodlight that I got off of Amazon. And the reason for getting this, I'm sure if you've seen some of my videos, I'm not happy with the lighting on some of them. You know, it'll go from light to dark as I move in front of the camera or whatever, so I decided I better get some different lights. So I'm going to try some different ones. This particular one I got because it's rechargeable. It's 30 watts bright and it says it'll last 4 to 6 hours on a charge. So we will see if that is true. And wow, that has a big light. So there's my size XL hand, and it's pretty big. What is this? Some sort of instructional sheet. Yeah, guys don't need that. So there's your wall plug. You also get a car plug. And that looks like the retaining nut. And it's got rubber washers. And it goes that way. All joking aside, you shouldn't throw away the instructions. That's how it actually goes together. So I had it turned. So it's kind of nice that it pivots around, rotates. And right out of the box, it is lighting up. So probably not a good thing to run it. It's probably one of those things that needs to be charged up a good 8 to 10 hours. Most rechargeable batteries appreciate that and will give you a much longer life, both initially and as the months and years go by, if you charge them up fully and then kind of run them down and charge them up, as opposed to charging them up for a couple minutes at a time. Sometimes the batteries will get a memory on them and then they won't last as long. So I will charge this up overnight and then we'll review how it's working once it's charged. What they do mention is not to charge it more than 24 hours at a time. So it's something you want to charge somewhere where you're going to see it. This says don't do that. And it also says don't run the lamp while you're charging or you can burn up the charger. So that's two important things. With another unboxing video. This time it's the U-Stellar LED floodlight. It's the equivalent of a 200 watt bulb. And just like the rechargeable light that I bought, I got this because, like I said, I wasn't real happy with some of the lighting in some of my videos. And this one is a plug-in power light. And obviously those of you that shoot YouTube videos, you know what it's like. You may start a project, expect it to take 2 hours. 6 hours later, it's getting dark, you're outside filming. And so either your footage doesn't turn out right or you have to wait for light. So I'm hoping to solve that problem by purchasing these two lights. So if you've seen the rechargeable unboxing, this is the corded one. Yeah. So this does appear to look a lot like the rechargeable one. The major difference being, instead of having a battery charger, you've got a permanent cord, and then the on-off switch is there. This one has a lock washer and a regular washer. So to assemble your light, you're going to start with your bracket like that. Get your light where the handle is on top, and then take your install bolt, the washer and the lock washer on it, and then just thread it onto the base. So it will look like that. So this will be nice because it looks like it has a really long cord, and I'll be able to plug it in and tilt this however I need it to go, and hopefully the videos will look a lot better now. So I eyeballed the cord and I thought, you know, it looks like it's about 15 or 16 feet long, and then I pulled out the instructions and it says 16.4 feet, so my eyeballing was pretty good for once. And that is blinding. But it looks like it's going to be very, very bright when I need it. And then when you're done, the cord wraps nicely around the base there. And that gives you an idea of how well the 15 watt works. This camera's pretty good about adjusting for darkness. And this is the 30 watt rechargeable. It's, to the naked eye, substantially brighter than the 15. Although on camera it doesn't look like it's appearing to be much different. And again, you see this camera adjusts for darkness pretty well. And this is the plug-in 30 watt. It is the brightest by far of the three. Even the rechargeable 30 watt, there's a noticeable difference going to the plug-in one. Just trying to give you an idea of darkness. It's actually even lighting up farther down the car. But definitely in this area, I mean, it's very bright as far as if you were needing to work on something, it would light it up. So if you have the money for just one, I'd get the plug-in, and I may even buy a couple more plug-in ones, because my luck with rechargeables is get into a project and the batteries run out. Hope these videos were helpful. Appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.